Nandamo. I'm sorry, that's all I know. A very good evening to all of you, friends, organizers of Australian Idol, and it's a fantastic event here, and I'm so proud of being part of this event, and I'm really enjoying. You've got a spectacular talent out there, guys. Just give them a big round of applause. Amazing, amazing, mind-blowing. So keep enjoying the event. As I said, at ANZ, we are quite honored to be part of your community and help your community progress, as well as help all of your friends to basically buy properties, reach your property purchase dreams, and we are always available. We've got some gifts out there for all of you, so please enjoy the evening, and thank you once again for inviting me. Thank you.
Kanilo,